Alright guys, so today we are going to work in the living room and we're going to change it around. We're going to clean up this mess. We're going to turn Shrek back to his room, get rid of the school stuff, and just make it look better. So let's get started.
I remember years ago, something missing in my soul. Chasing highs, yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often. It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Finding you was just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me. You're the reason I wake up with a smile and feel enough. I don't know what I would do without you. Every day I want you more. Tell me I'm forever yours. Let me know it as I stand before you. True love don't come round very often. It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Feel like family, oh. Finding you was just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me. To me, yeah, you feel like family. Yeah, you feel like family to me. I remember years ago, something missing in my soul. Chasing highs, yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often. It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Finding you was just
Alright, now guys, we're going to take this is actually our old mantle that we had on the original fireplace in this living room. We're going to take that and hang it on the wall. That'll give me some place to decorate. And this mop here that he is using, this is my new mop from Amazon. I will link it below. We really do like it. It actually comes with, you can do like a dust mop, like for sweeping, and then you can do the regular mopping. And it actually comes with a brush to clean off the microfibers. Of course, they're also microfiber cloth, which they are also washable. So I really like that. I think it's going to work out really well. I seen it on Amazon, and somebody had spoke of Carrie Lynn here on YouTube, that she had it, and and recommended it. So I just thought I'd get it and try it, and it seems to work out really well. So I will link it below.
Very often, it's like sunshine after the rain. But you know, the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me. Feel like family, oh. Finding you was just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me, to me. Yeah, you feel like family, yeah, you feel like family to me. Waiting on the day.
Alright guys, so here is an overview of our living room. It's turned out pretty well. I will probably I gotta paint that wall right there, and we'll probably add maybe a coffee table to the center there. But we got my little plant sitting there on the chair. Family pictures. And then just a little welcome frame and friends. And I don't have this really styled yet the way I want to. This is the lake. Anna, I love this picture of her. It needs to be in a frame one day. But anyway, so not really sure just yet how I will install a little shelf there, but I do like the chair and the ottoman there in the corner, and the tub chair. I do like that. And then I think this really opened it up. I would show you a view from the front door, but if I do, then that's going to give away what we're doing in the kitchen, so I'm not going to do that just yet. I will try to get a good enough view of this away to show you. We still have more stuff to do, but like I said, I think this turned out really well. And stay tuned to see what we do with this open space right here. But yeah, this is how it's turned out, and we definitely got to go to Lowe's and get some paint. I just haven't done that yet. I was at the doctor the other day on Tuesday, and I could have stopped in there then, but I just chose not to. It's just kind of ready to get home after doing a test. I had to do an asthma test. Still waiting the results on that. But anyway, yeah, this is how it's turned out. And I've got to paint, like I said, I've got to paint this whole room. If you see up there at the top above the window where we never really finished painting there, I just want to paint the whole room white. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please be sure that you stay tuned to see what we do with the open space in front of the couch. And if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here on YouTube. And if you will ring that little bell in the drop-down menu, YouTube should notify you when we upload again. And remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Thank you. God bless you. Have a good night.